What's up, guys? It's November 21st. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Deer rifle season opens up Saturday, the 26th. And I'm out here just moving some stands around. I just tore this stand down that I have on my back. And I actually left my tether strap up in a tree. And I didn't realize till I had everything tore down already. And I wasn't putting it back up to go get it. But I'm headed into this real big pine thicket, so I'm gonna hang the stand in there somewhere. Check some of my other cameras, and hopefully Saturday we can get a buck down or something. You never know. There's all kinds of sign back in there. There's all kinds of sign right here too where I'm at. But I'll catch up with you when I pick a tree, start getting everything set up. Alright, well, I got one stand up. I don't really like it. I really don't. I put it up once, didn't like it, moved it, put it up again, didn't like it. So I'm probably just, I like the area, probably just not gonna hunt it, and I'll probably just take it down here after the season. I'll just leave it up, but I got the gun with me this time. I'm gonna walk back. There's a whole bunch of real thick pine bedding and stuff back here. The neighbor has a big select cut and a clear cut. A lot of bears like hanging out over here, so try to get this other stand moved. I'm gonna move it like 200 yards, and maybe we'll get lucky and shoot a bear. You never know. You never know what'll happen out here. Here's a vine scrape I got here. There's my camera. There's the blind. It's pretty rough. But let's check this camera. Alright, so I just got done checking my 2 trail cameras that I got back here. And just over the last week, there's been 4 different nice shooter bucks in here, which is good. They're definitely moving back here. There's a lot of does, so they've just been chasing after them. But we're finally at this last stand. We got like an hour left of light, so hopefully we can move this and get it set up pretty quickly here. Because I'm not trying to be here after dark. So let's get to it. Well, just got the stand set up. It's a little later than I wanted it to be, but it's not dark, so we're good. We'll be back in a couple mornings for gun season opener. Well, we'll be back in a couple days anyway. When I was setting that stand up, I had a doe down here, ran up into the pines behind me. That's why this is a good spot. If you look, there's just a line of pines back there, and they'll cruise that edge. It's always been good. I had a box stand, I don't know if you can see. You can kind of see the ladder right there, but it fell down at the end of last season. And I've hunted there since I was a kid. My dad hunted there, and we've killed a lot of deer off this little corner of the property. But I'm gonna shoot on out here, check the food plot, see what's out there, see if there's any deer in it, any bear. What if a bear, I might shoot at one. But we're heading on out of here, and we'll be back in a couple days.